What's up, guys? It's Jordan. Overload Gaming here, and I just wanted to teach you guys how to mod Borderlands 2, and the links will be in the description to these downloads. And let's get started. So you're gonna need the four things that are right here on the desktop. You're gonna need the save editor, the VCR credit. That was really weird. You're gonna need the dependencies file, and you're gonna need a Bruteforce file. Now, what you want to do with all these? This is a system called WinRAR, and what you're gonna want to do is I'll make that link in the description down below. And what you're gonna want to do, instead of just opening them up, you're gonna want to extract. You're gonna hit right click, and then you're gonna want to hit extract to save editor, so that'll pop up on your desktop. Okay, so take that, you can recycle that. So this has your Gibb save editor inside of it, and you don't really need to worry about anything else. But you're going to want to do that for the dependencies files as well, and also the brute force save data. So, and you're going to want to recycle these. Here's your brute force and your dependencies. Now, this one right here, you're going to want to run as administrator if you can. After you've downloaded it and installed it correctly, thoroughly, I'll do that right quick. So ignore that. So just gonna wanna go through that, and then once that gets installed, you can just hit OK, hit next. I already had it installed, so I just pick one of those options. It does download this, but it's completely safe. It's from Microsoft, and yeah, it's pretty safe. I've downloaded a couple of times through multiple computers, so it's pretty safe. I haven't had any little errors or anything like that. I'm just gonna hit finish, hit run. Okay. And once that's over, you can take that. Once you know it's done. Okay, so it's not done yet. Okay, that should have been it. Yeah, I think that was it. Okay, so you can take that and recycle it, and you're gonna wanna take your dependencies file and I don't know why it's being such a cheap. Alright, so once that's done, you're gonna wanna, oh, it wasn't done, so I think we might have to re-download it again. But yeah, sorry about the long video. I'm trying to go step by step, so okay, so should. It's done. I already downloaded it once, so I don't really need to download it again. And then what you're going to want to do is, alright, just get out of that. You're going to want to do this. You're going to want to run and install that. And without those two, the brute force actually will not work. So, yep. Let's hit finish. Copying files. And once you know this is all done, you can, there you go. Now you can drag that, move that out, recycle that. Alright, let's go ahead and, I think I've just clicked it a couple of times, too many, so let me just make sure it's all done and ready with. I like the little background in the background, that's pretty cool. A little smiley face with the teeth. I'm probably going to blur out the name of this computer because it's my mom's, and I don't really want you guys, I think it feels a little weird for me to be posting my picture of me and my mom on YouTube via internet through millions of people. So, alright, so once that's done, do I gotta run this again? Yep, you gotta watch out for them pop-ups so they won't work. So go ahead and do this all over again. So, alright, so this should be the last time and then we'll get back to the video. Okay, alright, okay. That's little gem eyes. Right, I'm getting a little distracted here. Nope. Just keep hitting next. If anything pops up, just keep hitting next. And once this is done, it should be pretty much done. That's what I thought before though, so we'll see. Just hit finish. Once that's done, wait a couple minutes. Alright, so I'll just keep that up there. But to make sure that it worked, you're gonna wanna hit this, and you're gonna wanna run it as an administrator. And once that's over, it should come up with this. You're gonna hit I agree. And you're gonna want to do that to desktops, and there you have it. It should install. Just keep hitting yes. Alright. So there you got it. I'm pretty sure you can just, nope. Alright, there it is. So if it didn't go to your desktop, which it should have, you can just keep hitting, that, or I think you can drag this over. Okay, so it's gonna make you re-download it, so that's a good thing. If you already have it, well, it's a good thing for me because I know it's gonna work. So I'm just gonna hit run. Setup. I already agreed to all this, so this is just because of the fact that You can hit browse. I'm pretty sure you can just save it to your desktop. Hit install and complete it. Finish. So there it is. Pretty sure you can just drag this over. As administrator. Got downloads. Already run through all this. Okay, so there it is. You're just gonna you're gonna drag it to your desktop, and there you have. You're gonna drag the installer to your desktop, and then hit run as administrator, and that should pop up, and then you can just recycle that. And then you can recycle this, recycle that, and now what you're gonna want to have is your Gibb, your save editor, and that. And if I don't know if I told you already, but you're probably gonna want a USB drive to transfer your files, and all that's gonna be is you plugging in your USB to your PlayStation, and underneath the games or above the disc that pops up, press X, go in, find a Borderlands 2 save, hit triangle, copy, and go down to your USB, which is one down, and it will copy to your USB. Plug your USB in. It should pop up right here, and if it doesn't pop up right there, just hit regular computer, hit your USB drive. So mine would be F, and it'll be right here. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna open up. It'll be labeled PS3 if you don't have anything in it. I'll delete these so you don't have to get confused. But yeah, so this should be the only thing in it. And if you have other things, just look for PS3. You're gonna want to open save data, and this is gonna be your Borderlands 2 character save. So you're gonna want to hit copy, and you're gonna paste it, or you can just drag it to copy to desktop. Doesn't really matter. You're gonna exit out of that. You're gonna open up your brute force save data. And what this program is made to do is to decrypt your files for PlayStation 3. And what you're going to want to do, you're going to hit these three dots to look for your file. You're going to hit desktop, because that's where that's the save you're going to be decrypting and modding, and then decrypting again eventually. So you're going to make sure you hit desktop, and you're going to make sure you go to the file that says that matches with the one that you copied over. So mainly just plus and the US. So I'm from the US, so it's going to be US. I don't know about any other country, but that's what mine is. And you're going to want to open it up. So we're here, it'll say title Borderlands 2, subtitle should have your character and your level and your last place, the name of the file, and that stuff. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to hit it, and you're going to hit decrypt. It's going to say, do you want to decrypt the selected files? You're going to click yes, minimize that, go into your brute force or your Gibb save editor. You're going to hit run. Now this might take a little while to load, but you just gotta wait. I wouldn't suggest taking it out of here into there, but people do what they want, so can't really help that. So I should be loading up shortly. You can just keep trying to run them. This one does take a little while because it's the updated version. So there's nothing really to do but wait. Oh, there it is. So there's gonna be a whole bunch of them. So let me exit out. Alright. So what you're gonna want to hit is open. And this is where the tricky part comes in, where most people mess up with this glitch. You're gonna want to hit desktop because that's when you're modding, and you're gonna want to change this to PS3 because that's what we're modding. Xbox 360, PC, we're not doing those right now, but you can't. You hit those if you are. And this is for PS3. For Xbox, you'd use some other decoder. So you're gonna want to open up the Blus folder, and you're gonna hit this, which is the actual character save. You're gonna hit open, and since this is a modded character as it is, so something messed up. Let's go back to our brute force. We're gonna hit decrypt. Alright, open, desktop, PS3. Alright, so there it is. You can change the your different costumes, but if you like, you can change it to whatever you want and it'll be that. But say you don't have the costume pack, or say you don't have Dragon's Keep, when you change it to a map or when you change it to a costume or head that you don't have, or you do have already, when you go to try to put on that other skin or mask that you had before, it's not going to be there. So what's cool about this, since it's a new one that's updated, has overpower level right here, and I think this is a modded save that I had, and that'll be another video I'll show you guys. But you can change it to you can change overpower to level 8, and your rank level 72. You would hit sync, and you can have any character you want, but I choose Salvador. Here's your overpower level. You can change it to whatever you want, but if you have a modded save, you can go all the way up to 55. But for now on, we're just gonna leave it at 8. You can customize your vehicles, whatever you want. For your credits, you can customize it to whatever you want. So just hit 999. Just type in 9s, and that'll get you your max amount. So when you go into the game, you're gonna have the max amount of torque tokens or Seraph crystals and iridium. You're not gonna have that much. You're actually gonna have 500 of those, 500 and 999 of those, and that much, however much money you can hold. So you're gonna want to put more 9s in money because you can hold more. So you can put your last visited. Normally just pick sanctuary or a place you unlocked, because I don't have, like for instance, I don't have bloody harvest. So if I would pick that, it would just teleport me back to sanctuary anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So what you can do is, since I'm overpowered level 8, your guns would have to be your manufacturer grade would be 80, because of the fact that when you level up, so does your gun. When your gun has a certain amount of overpowered levels, it ranks up as well, or that specific gun. So instead of having 170, it'd be 80, because if you're overpowered level 8, let's just say that it's level 80 gun and you're level 80, just keep it that way. I'm actually going to change my character back to overpower level 55 because that's what it was, and this is a modded one. Then RAR, this is where you get your black market upgrades. I'll put this in the description too. This is the code to unlimited ammo, and this is your unlimited code for different things, or your ammo, or your overall ammo capacity. And you can mess with this stuff, but I wouldn't. Last overpowered choice, if you only are overpowered level 8, I'd press 8. But since I'm overpowered level 55, I'm gonna type in 55. But this thing, the last playthrough is what it is sorry for all the it's really late at night. It's like 12 o'clock really. It's not really 9:03 like it says on my desktop, but your last playthrough is your ultimate Vault Hunter mode, true Vault Hunter mode, and regular. So regular would be 0, and if you go above 2, you'd have to complete them all over again in rows, to where if you only put 2 in, it'll have it completed, and you won't have to do anything. That automatically is in there. You can change that to whatever. You can change this to whatever. I don't really know. Just a random number. This is how many playthroughs you want to complete it. So you have 3 because of the fact that it's ultimate Vault Hunter mode. So, and the real tricky thing is resource data down here. Now this is a fun number. I'll give you guys a link to this down in the description below as well. And it'll pop up like this, but you'll originally put the number that I put down in the description in, and you keep going, and you just refresh it and hit OK, and it'll pop up as this. That means you have unlimited ammo and everything, and you did good, and you did it right. Weapon data, I really don't know what that is. A lot of things I don't even know what to do. This is just different. This is the parts that you have actually been through. You can hit uncovered if you want, but your mini-map will be black. If you see any that you don't have done, you can hit it to uncover, or you can hit it. If any have been marked as uncovered, you just hit that and it'll be covered, to where on your mini-map it won't be that dark area. It says you haven't been deployed, so okay. Then once you have everything that you want, they had a file in here. Oh yeah, right here, down here. What this is like gear calculator, to where what it does is, okay, for instance, let me see. So what you do is you put this in the corner. You take this and you put it up here, and if you want a gun, you take guns, and then a gear template. So let's see. Ignore that. Guns. So for some reason this isn't working right, but whatever. So yep, that's mainly about it. So to wrap it up, you're gonna hit save. Oh, before we wrap it up, if you have another character that has like stats that are really high from a different save, or that's been in a different world and who's completed all the missions, or has the skills, you can import them as well, but we're not really going to worry about that. So just want to hit save, and you're going to hit this, it'll pop up, just going to click it, hit save. If you want to replace it, you're going to hit yes, and then it should back it out. You can X out of this, And what you want to do is you want to come over here and hit refresh. Click it a couple times. Then what you're going to want to do is click it, hit update, and hit PFD full. Then you're going to click it again, hit encrypt, and there you have it. It's an encrypted file now. So what you can do is you can go here and you can just officially delete it, unless you can just delete this one since it's old. Just hit delete. And you're gonna copy this one and just paste it in here, and that'll be a backup folder if anything happens to this one in here. So once that's done, all you do is go back into your PlayStation with your USB, eject it, and what you're going to do is you're going to take your USB, plug it back into your PlayStation, hover above game, hit the USB, press triangle over, it'll say Borderlands 2 game save, just click triangle over it, hit copy, or copy, just copy the save back to your system, and it'll say do you want to overwrite the selected files, because you already have it in your PlayStation, but this is the one that you customize. So you're going to hit yes, it's going to overwrite it, everything's going to be the same except for the changes that you made, and there you go, you got it. So if you guys enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.